this works out to be a good day for this. Outside all foggy, and I'm about to switch the foggy lights. I said foggy lights, but yeah, why? So I came across AutoOne LED headlight bulbs, and I said, yo, I'm gonna try it out, because they were looking for people to test them out and give reviews. So yo, you don't know, free product, why not? So yo, thanks to them. I'm gonna put a link in the description if you want to obtain a pair for yourself, because I'm about to go install them and see how they work. They're for the headlights, but yo, my BMW here has factory xenons in the headlights, so I'm not even going to put it in there. I'm going to put it in a fog light. These are 9006. So yeah, this is going to be proper. This has some nice weight to it too. Alright, so stay tuned. I'm about to install those. AutoOne LED headlights. Let's check these out. Alright, decent packaging. One hand, okay. Turn it over. Oh, this slides out like a drawer. Okay. Hold on, let me continue. Sliding this out. Alright. Pretty cool. Comes with some O-rings. Yo, these look pretty cool. Look at that. Alright, got the built-in fan. The LED. Alright, so we're gonna test these out. So simple. It's not a full DIY, but you know, I'm testing out these fog lights. You see the screw? Just gotta pull out that and get my thing started. So we got little consolidation in another light. I might have to get a new light too, but we'll see how this go. Work with this for right now. What y'all think? Yeah, this light, look back there, yeah. That need to sort out. So probably new ones coming soon, or we get the yellow ones. Then we'll see how this go. Simple enough now. Just turn with one hand. Turn, pull out. It's the old halogen bulb we're taking out. Yeah, I'm doing this with one hand. Let me try with two. No modified needed. So now let's push it into the fog light housing. Too bad I have nobody to hold this for me today, but so we are doing. Alright, got the LED bulb in, housing back in. So now I'm gonna compare the driver's side with the LED against the passenger side with the halogen. Check it out. Look at the driver's side LED. Passenger side. Driver's side. Passenger side. Nice and ice white. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in the garage and trying to see the difference in the lighting, so you guys can see how halogen or LED, which one is better. Alright, be right back. You can see for yourself which ones are brighter. Obviously the LEDs are much brighter than the halogens, so it was a good upgrade. AutoOne LED bulbs, thumbs up. They look great on the car, and I'm loving them. Thanks for the sponsor. Remember, there's a link in the description where you can pick up a set for yourself. Oh, let me add, for everyone that has, you know, European cars, Audis, BMWs, Volkswagens, that will give you like check errors on the screen for your light bulbs or bulbs in general. These ones don't. So yo, that's another plus. No error codes. These LEDs look way better than the halogens. Plus everything just matches up this white ice. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching my YouTube.